Installing GPA and GP2PA post adapters. We are showing the installation of the GPPA. Remove the center nut from each adapter with a 1/2-inch socket. Loosen the side 2 nuts on each GPPA bracket or the single back nut on the GP2PA. Slide one of the adapters over the top of the post tube. Hold the lower adapter in place and set the sign to the side. Check the adapter to make sure it's snugly attached to the post tube. Position the sign so the lower hole aligns with the adapter's center bolt. Using the second sign bracket, slide it onto the post tube. Lift the sign and align the top center bolt with the top hole in the sign. Your completed Gorilla Post with your attached sign and GPSA adapter is now ready to use. Thank you for watching the Magnetic Gorilla Post System video for mounting signs to the 2 1/3 inch delineator posts. If you have any questions, please contact us at gorillapost.com, parkingzone.com, or call us at 1-800-292-7275. We are available from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Monday through Friday.